In this tutorial, we will be exploring how to catch and handle exceptions in Python. Exceptions are events that occur during the execution of a program that disrupt the normal flow of the program's instructions. Catching and handling these exceptions is a crucial part of programming, as it can help prevent your program from crashing and allows for more graceful error handling. In this code snippet, we are trying to convert a string, hello, to an integer using the int function. However, this is not possible and will raise a value error exception. We use a try except block to catch this exception. The code inside the try block is the code that could potentially raise an exception. When an exception is raised, the code in the except block is executed. We're catching the exception as an object E so we can work with it. As you can see in the output, the exception is caught and the error message is printed out. The message invalid literal for int with base 10. Hello is the default message provided by Python, which describes what went wrong. By catching the exception as an object E, we're able to print out this useful information to the user. Now let's see why and when you'd want to work with the exception object. One reason is to provide more specific error messages based on the type of exception that occurred. Let's introduce a second example. In this code, we are now catching different types of exceptions separately. If a value error occurs, we print a specific message. If any other exception occurs, we print a different message. We're still working with the exception object E to provide the user with more information about the issue. As you can see in the output, the value error was caught and the error message was printed out. Catching and handling exceptions like this allows you to provide more useful feedback to the user, and handle errors more gracefully in your program. That's it for this tutorial. Remember, exceptions are not your enemy, they're just Python's way of telling you that something went wrong. With try and except, you can understand these messages and decide how your program should respond. Happy coding!